Good news, the musical alphabet is really easy. We simply use the first 7 letters of the alphabet. On the piano, we use these 7 letters to name the 7 white keys in each octave. Since we already know that this key is a C, we can place the letters accordingly. This system just repeats across the whole keyboard. And now you can already figure out the name of every single white key on the piano. At first, you might need to count from C to figure out the other keys. But with a little practice, I think you'll be surprised how quickly you start recognizing each key immediately. And here's even more good news. You don't have to learn any additional letters for the black keys, because they don't actually have their own letters. They're simply named after the white keys next to them. For this purpose, we use 2 musical symbols, so-called accidentals. A sharp raises a note by a semitone, while a flat lowers it by a semitone. So this black key can be called C sharp because it's a semitone above C, and it can also be called D flat because it's a semitone below D. This is true for all black keys. Each one sits between 2 white keys and can be named after either one, depending on the musical context. This might seem a little confusing now, but don't worry, we'll understand later on why this system makes sense.